In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell in TradingView mobile app. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is connect your broker, so you, of course, will be able to buy and sell and start trading with that. So you want to go to the bottom right where you can see it says community here when you're inside your chart, and then up top just above community, you can see like an arrow up, arrow down button, so tap on that. And from here, you want to connect your broker. There's a bunch of different ones. Tap to it and then get connected. Now here, I'm going to just tap on paper trading just to show you how this works, because it's going to be the same no matter which broker you connect. And whenever you're connected, again, you want to tap on the same icon at the bottom of above community, so the arrows. Tap on that and it's going to open up the kind of the order window. Now here you can select up top if you want to either buy or sell, up to you. And then you have market, limit, and stop orders. And then of course you can select the units, or you can basically select your balance or whatever you want to do, how much you actually want to purchase. And then you could say take profits like this. You can enable them by tapping the toggle button. You could enable a stop loss if you want to, and then down there at the bottom you have the buy or sell button depending on which one you chose. Just tap on either buy or sell, and there it goes. You can see your order is going to be executed. So that's how to buy and sell. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.